For you guys who are doing retrofits, the limo splits or hot rod or your van conversion, here's just another company that provides you with the different outlets and ducting that you need. And here's their contact information, because I'm getting tired of you guys asking me and then I have to get it for you. And this you could go online, get their catalog online, and it gives you everything you've been looking for as for vents, especially for you guys who have work cargo vans.
We do.
All right,
We just,
there you go.
We never bring them here. We actually probably should.
Is it in your book?
Yes.
I know what I'm looking for.
They're